Hello, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms. Just wanted to show you guys what we've got going on. So today we are getting boxes ready. We're just getting a bunch of them up, trying to get ready for spring, because this is the time of year that you want to really take time and get ready for your spring, so that you're not trying to make boxes, fill bags and all this other stuff when you're trying to get worms out. So I got Kobe over here drilling the holes in my boxes for ventilation. As you can see, we drill holes in them. And then I've got Natalie over here, me and her working, putting on labels. Then we'll come back and we'll put our egg carton in our box. And then we'll stack them up here and we'll have them ready. So I use these every week, and then I just replenish this table each week. I have these tables full of the different sizes that we use. And then my extra boxes go over here, and we're starting to get all these ready for spring. That way I'm not going to have to stop and do labels, because it's a time-consuming thing. When you think about all the time that goes into just to get orders ready to go out each week, you might only think of just a pound of worms. But, there's so much that goes into it, not just raising the worms, but harvesting the worms, sewing the bags up, and then the boxes. I mean, this can be an all-day thing if you're trying to get set up for spring. But in the spring, we'll go through 100 to 200 boxes per week. So we've got to have a lot of boxes up, or we'll get behind come springtime. And when we get those done, we'll start getting more of our mushroom compost, vermifusion, and that stuff. We'll get the labels on those bags so that we'll have them ready come spring. I will fill up each one of these bins, and then we will replenish, but we'll already have the bags labeled, so that won't be that hard to do. Got my egg cartons already torn, ready to go in the boxes. So yeah, it's a lot of work. Just getting some boxes ready for your shipping, it can be time consuming. So you have to think about all the work that actually goes into us getting just 1 pound of worms, out to you. It's very labor intense, but it's very much fun, and we really enjoy doing it. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.